Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Blue Ball Canning book is probably one of the most comprehensive guides available for anyone looking to preserve their harvest or simply explore the art of canning, offering a wealth of knowledge that caters to both beginners and seasoned canners alike, ensuring that your culinary creations are not only delicious but also safely preserved for enjoyment throughout the year. Number 5. Mess Dissolvable Canning Labels for Jars. Tired of stubborn label residue? Our canning labels dissolve completely under any water temperature in just seconds, leaving no mess behind. These 2-inch round labels are designed to fit standard mason jar lids perfectly. They are also easy to write on with most writing utensils. Ensure your homemade goods stay fresh and identifiable. These labels are 100% removable, so you can trust what you're consuming. Don't limit yourself to just jars. These versatile stickers work wonderfully on plastic, metal, and even wood containers. Keep your pantry, freezer, and food prep areas tidy. These dissolving labels make organizing your homemade creations a breeze. Do your part for the environment. By clearly labeling your items, you help reduce waste and keep unnecessary items out of landfills. What we like? Tired of stubborn label residue? These labels dissolve in water, making cleanup a breeze. If you value a quick and easy cleanup process after canning, these are the perfect choice for you. They also fit standard lids and are eco-friendly, making them a great option for the environmentally conscious canner. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to canning. It covers a wide variety of recipes and techniques. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 4. Complete Guide to Pressure Canning. Unlock the secrets to safe and effective pressure canning. Learn everything you need to preserve your favorite foods. Discover the techniques for perfectly canning meats. Ensure delicious and safe results every time you preserve. Learn how to can a wide variety of vegetables with ease. Keep your garden's bounty fresh and ready to enjoy. Transform your favorite recipes into convenient meals in a jar. Perfect for quick and easy meal prep. Explore advanced canning techniques and tips. This guide covers everything you need to become a pressure canning pro. From beginner basics to expert advice, this is your go-to resource. Master the art of pressure canning for your home. What we like? Looking to master pressure canning? This guide covers everything you need to know about preserving meats, vegetables, and even full meals. If you're serious about expanding your canning repertoire beyond simple fruits and vegetables, this book is an indispensable resource. It's ideal for those who want to confidently can a wider variety of foods. What people say. The book is a comprehensive guide to canning, covering a wide range of techniques and recipes. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, even for beginners. The recipes are diverse and include options for fruits, vegetables, meats, and even desserts. Number 3. The Backyard Homestead. Imagine producing all the food your family needs right in your own backyard. This guide shows you how to achieve just that, even with limited space. Discover the secrets to maximizing your yield on just a quarter acre. You can create a sustainable food source without needing a large property. Learn practical techniques for self-sufficiency and enjoy the freshest produce imaginable. It's easier than you think to transform your yard. This resource provides the knowledge to cultivate a variety of foods throughout the seasons. Enjoy healthy, homegrown meals every day. Take control of your food supply with this comprehensive guide. Start your journey to a more sustainable and rewarding lifestyle today. What we like? Dreaming of producing your own food? This guide shows you how to maximize a small plot of land to meet your needs. If you're interested in homesteading, reducing your reliance on grocery stores, or living a more sustainable lifestyle, this book is your roadmap. It's perfect for anyone looking to embrace self-sufficiency on a manageable scale. What people say. This book is a great resource for beginners. It covers a wide range of canning techniques and recipes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 2. Beginner's Canning and Preserving Guide. Unlock the secrets to delicious homemade preserves. This guide is your perfect starting point for canning. Discover a collection of essential recipes designed for beginners. You'll find everything you need to get started right away. Don't know where to start with supplies? We've got you covered with a comprehensive checklist to ensure you have everything necessary. Learn the fundamental techniques of canning and preserving with easy-to-follow instructions. Success is within your reach. Enjoy the taste of fresh, seasonal produce any time of the year. This guide empowers you to preserve your harvest effectively. Begin your exciting journey into the world of home canning. It's simpler than you think with the right guidance. What we like. New to canning? This guide breaks down the process with essential recipes and supply information. If you're just starting out and want a clear, easy-to-follow introduction to canning, this is the book for you. It's designed to build your confidence with step-by-step instructions and cover all the basics. What people say. This book is a great resource for beginners. It has clear instructions and helpful tips. The recipes are easy to follow and produce delicious results. Number 1. Beginner's Guide to Canning, 90 Easy Recipes. Unlock the secrets to preserving your favorite foods with this comprehensive guide. Learn simple techniques to can, savor, and even gift delicious homemade treats. Discover a treasure trove of 90 easy-to-follow recipes designed for beginners. From fruits to vegetables, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Extend the enjoyment of seasonal produce throughout the year. Our methods ensure your canned goods retain their vibrant flavor and nutritional value. Create thoughtful and delicious gifts for friends and family. Homemade canned goods are a unique and cherished way to show you care. We break down the canning process into simple, manageable steps. You'll be amazed at the professional results you can achieve right in your own kitchen. Embark on a rewarding culinary adventure with this beginner-friendly guide. Start preserving your bounty and enjoying delicious food anytime. What we like. Want to can delicious treats to enjoy or gift? This guide offers 90 simple recipes perfect for preserving and sharing. If you love the idea of making homemade gifts or want to easily preserve your harvest to savor later, this book is an excellent choice. It's ideal for beginners who want a wide variety of approachable recipes. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to canning, covering a wide range of techniques and recipes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. It includes helpful tips and troubleshooting advice to ensure successful canning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.